Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array related problem provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old video related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start the today video. Third maximum number. Given an integer array, return the third distinct maximum number in this array. If the third maximum does not exist, return the maximum number. So in this input example, we have 3, 2, 1. The output is 1. Because the first distinct number is 3, the second distinct number is 2, and the third distinct number is 1. So we are supposed to return the third distinct number in the array. And if the third distinct number does not exist, return the maximum number. So in the second example, the third distinct number doesn't exist. So we are going to return the maximum number, which in this case is 2. Okay, so let's see how we're going to solve this in C#. So we already have a method here called thirdMax, which is supposed to return integer and having the array nums as a parameter. In C# we are going to iterating through the array and keeping track of the first, second, and third distinct maximum numbers. So let's initialize the three maximum variables. We are going to call this long first max is equal to long dot min value. Similarly for the second and third max. We initialize the three variables first max, second max, and third max to keep the track of the first, second, and third distinct maximum numbers. Now let's iterate through the array. We are going to iterate through the array, updating these values based on the value encountered. We use long.minValue to handle the potential integer overflow, as the problem statement does not specify the range of the numbers. So let's update the first maximum. In this case, we will check if num is greater than first max. Then our third max would be whatever in the second max. Our second max would be the first max. And the first max would be num. Now we are going to update the second maximum. Else if num is greater than second max and num is less than first max, our third max would be second max and the second max would be num. Now similarly for the third one, else if our num is greater than third max and num is less than second max, our third max would be num. Now we are going to check if third maximum exists. If it's not, we are going to return the maximum. So after for loop, we are going to return if third max is not equal to long dot min value. We are going to return third max. Otherwise, we are going to return first num. We use a ternary operator here. And let's run the code to check if the code we write it's working. we have a compiler error called first num in line number 28. Or it should be first max actually. And we got our answer. Our answer is matched with the expected answer. Let's submit this code and see if it's working fine. And it's worked perfectly. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section and I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.